All right, class, this is number 26 in the book. Again, it's similar to an online problem you're going to find. This is where they give you the data. You don't have to try to get the data from a chart. So they give us S1, they give us N1, they give us S2, they give us N2. Here, S1 is bigger than S2. So this is going to be your degrees of freedom for the numerator. Excuse me, and this will be your degrees of freedom for the denominator. Okay, so when they give you the information, whichever one is the bigger S value, that's going to be your numerator. Now, what is that? What's the actual problem saying? Employment and Information Service claims that standard deviation of the annual salaries for public relations managers is greater in Florida than in Louisiana. Okay, well, it looks like it probably will be. You select a sample. These are your data results. So how do we write our claim? How do we do that stuff there? So HO is going to be less than or equal to. So Florida is less than or equal to Louisiana. Okay. So because this doesn't have an equal statement, it has standard deviation of the annual salaries of public relation managers is greater in Florida. It's not greater than or equal to. So it's greater in Florida. So we're going to use less than or equal to be our HO, because HO always has the equal to symbol. But here's our claim that Florida has a greater standard deviation than Louisiana. So to find the critical value, okay, go back to our calculator. So we go to math, numerical solver. Okay, this one's easier than the previous problem because we already know what the numerator is. It's going to be 27. And we know what the denominator is. It's going to be 23. Okay, this one's pretty much given to us there. It's right-tailed. Was it right-tailed? Yeah, right-tailed. Okay, so we don't need the divide by 2 here. Boom, boom. Okay, and then now we go to solve this. Should get 1.981. The book gets 1.985 from the chart. We get 1.981. Okay, find the test statistic. Okay, so now we go to, actually I should have quit out of there. So I want to go stat tests. Go to sample F test. We don't have data this time. We have stats. Put that in. So my this is coming right from the problem. So 33,000, 28, 18,200. 24. Okay, and hold on. We need, yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, and what is we were right-tailed, correct? Okay, so I want to put in right tail. Bam! Calculate 3.28, is that correct? 3.29 is what I got earlier, 3.29. Good. Okay, we're going to reject HO because this number, our test statistic, is greater than our critical value of 1.98. So we're greater than, we're going to reject HO, interpret. There is enough evidence that Florida, I can actually read what the book writes for it. There is enough evidence at the 5% level of significance to support the service's claim that the standard deviation of the annual salaries for public relations managers is greater in Florida. And I mean, it was bigger, but I think, with a 5% level of confidence, we can conclude 95% level. Anyways, okay, hope that helps. That is like one of your online